Parth, we're going to go to you and talk about Databricks and how that fits into this ecosystem and how it's being used in these agencies.
Yeah, let me start by saying how it's a pleasure being on this panel with these esteemed folks. And what we are seeing as far as modernization is concerned, I want to focus in on what I would call the data estate modernization. What Juan talked about with the digitization effort, what Guy is talking about with building the systems in the cloud, and what Patrick is doing with systems at Social Security. All of that is generating a ton of data. Even some of the initiatives that you have talked about, whether it's Zero Trust, whether it's M2131, whether it's the data-driven initiatives, whether it's DoD decrees, the focus is becoming how are the government agencies going to utilize the data and derive insights from it to drive mission outcomes, to drive national security, to drive citizen outcomes. And what we are seeing across the board is there's a ton of challenges, and it comes from sort of the legacy infrastructure that exists. There's siloed data. The data is primarily structured. There's a treasure trove of data, as Juan said. There's treasure trove of data in documents that need to be digitized, in the images that exist, in the geospatial data that exists. And the government agencies are looking to drive to use all of these data sets and produce outcomes from it. These issues are being addressed now, and we are seeing a spectrum of progress across the agencies that we are supporting today. Some of them are just starting on this data estate modernization journey. Others are more mature. For example, at Citizenship and Immigration Services, they've been at it for about 5-6 years. They've modernized in the cloud. They're using Databricks with the Lakehouse architecture, moving all of their traditional database systems into the cloud. And they've modernized how immigration and the visa system operates. So we are seeing a lot of progress in this regard. We are super excited, and I think Databricks is ripe for the innovation that the government is looking to make.